up everyone? We are back the streets of Long Beach for the first round of Formula Drift this year. Now today is one of my favourite days of the year because it's Formula Drift Media Day, so we actually get a chance to drive the cars on the track that we're competing on this weekend with no pressure. So no competition, we're just giving some media ride-alongs, and you know, it's a great day to just hang out with all the other drivers and teams and see the new liveries, see drivers that are after swapping teams, and just see everything new. So I love this day, and yeah, I'm excited to get out in the O'Reilly Pennzoil Ford Mustang RTR very soon. So we got new helmet, we got new race gear. I haven't tried on any of it yet, so looking forward to trying that on, make sure it all fits, and team have the car ready to hit the track. And let's see how it goes from the first laps. But this track is just unbelievable. Like, it really is probably my favorite drift track in the world. No room for error, but when you get it right, it just flows so naturally, and it's wall to wall. The city buildings in the background, perfect weather. It's just a dream drift situation, and I'm always excited to do the first lap here. So let's see how that goes. So I'm expecting it to be slippery because there's like dust down everywhere, no rubber on the track, only 20 years of Formula Drift rubber baked onto it and coming off in certain areas. So the grip levels are always very interesting for the first good bit of time, but let's see how it feels.
Too much.
So we got our new fresh helmet just back, supplied from Stilo. It's an ST6, and yeah, PBK did an amazing job in the paintwork. So quite a few Irish vibes here with the shamrocks, one step at a time, a few personal logos, heat wave keeping me safe, and yeah, most important touch here in memory of our good friend Alan Long. So it's pretty cool to be representing this and carrying his name with me, because I know that he's looking down on us, and he was definitely, I feel, helping us out last year. So I like it. I think it goes well with the O'Reilly livery as well, because there's a lot of Irish vibes in it and something new, and it's impressive how lightweight the Stilo helmet is. So great job from PBK, and it's just quite a personal helmet to me. One step at a time. I always have been saying that since I was a young person, trying to like climb up through the ranks of drifting and everything in life. Just don't try to get it all at once, like, you know, just one step and one day you'll get there. My brother's workshop, Deane Sport, and what's cool about that is it's like family name. So my dad used to call it Deane Motorsport, my brother changed it to Deane Sport, but it's just cool with the history of motorsport in my own family. So yeah, nothing too crazy, but I think it looks subtle, it looks nice, and yeah, I'm very happy on it. We got one lap done, and they just called it right before our second lap. But the first lap was solid. I had a girl with me from Type S, and it was her first time riding in a drift car. She was really nervous, so I was trying to reassure her. So I said, don't worry, you're going to be okay. And like, one part of my mind was saying, go flat out. The other part was like, okay, if I mess this up in my first lap and I'm just after reassuring someone, it's not good. So I would say we did a good like high 80s, 90 run first lap out there. Everything felt solid, the car feels sweet, and looking forward to pushing a bit harder in our next sessions. So very solid. I cannot wait to see how the car looks, you know, on the streets of Long Beach, because I think this is one of the coolest places ever to see a car go drifting. So it's pretty cool. Feeling good. So we're after 3 laps in total. We got 2 laps in that second session. Larry Chin was chasing me on the first run out, so I'm like, okay, this is my second lap. I need to send it hard. But I sent it a little bit too hard because carried a lot of speed into the first corner, flicked it in, I'm like, this is pretty fast. Kept it flat out, tapped one corner on the first wall. I think I lost the taillight. Transition under the bridge, full throttle. Blew the other taillight out of it, kept it going through the whole run, and it was really fun. We went a little bit too deep, so now we need to refine the line a little bit, but it was fun. I was laughing, so when you're driving and you cross the finish line and you're laughing to yourself, you know it's a good time, so all good. Car's running sweet.
I've been up for 22 hours.
was fun. Like, we did our last run. I had a really good lead run, and then I chased Turk, and oh my god, through the first corner, no visibility through the transition, popped through the smoke right on him, and then snapped into the last corner, and I was like, oh shit, this is too close. But just managed to keep it perfect, and throughout to finish last corner, sweet.